guys, welcome to another video. Just got this in. It's a 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray plus digital Once Upon a Time in Hollywood box set. It's a pretty cool limited edition release. I'm gonna open it up in just a second. Some of the things you get inside. It's a very nice box set. Anxious to open this bad boy up. Let's see what I got. It's warm. It's chilly. It's groovy. Now, quick word from our sponsor. Hey, please! So I just opened it. This is a quick look what we got inside here. This is pretty cool looking. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? It's limited. It's lovely. It makes you smile. So yeah, this is it, guys, inside. It's got this cool little slot where the poster and booklet fit in right down here. That's where I took it out. Also in the middle, you get a record for 2 songs from the movie. Looks like it's Bring a Little Lovin' and Good Thing. You get a vinyl, pretty cool. Nice color. This is awesome. It really made it look like the 60s. So yeah, we got the, what the heck is that? Is that supposed to come out? I'm not quite sure what that's supposed to be. You get 2 discs. I'm pretty sure it may be all the same special features there as the regular release, but I don't know. We'll have to check into that. You get this limited edition poster. It's a real strange shape. It's really long and skinny. You see that? Operation Dynamite. We get a Mad magazine based off the movie. It's really cool. I was looking through it. Yeah, this is a really cool set. This was just the thing that was on top there before. Just took that off. So yeah, we'll get a look. If you want to pause here, you get all the bonus features. Yeah, I guess this all the stuff that came with it is all the bonus stuff, but I think the 7 additional scenes. I'm not sure if there's extra scenes from the regular release. I'm gonna have to watch the movie and let you guys know later. But another phenomenal box set. I had to pick it up. There you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Take care.